So, you have decided it's time to invest in a car vacuum to keep your vehicle's cabin clean and proper. If you've already done a search on car vacuums, you're likely overwhelmed by the number of options that are available and finding it difficult to compare one product to another. Number 1. Black Plus Decker 20V Max Handheld Vacuum. Equipped functional features with a 200 egg pivoting nozzle, an extendable crevice tool, and a large, easy-to-empty dirt bowl. The cordless handheld pivot VAC powerfully cleans those hard-to-reach spaces. The high-performance motor, 20V Max lithium-ion battery, and cyclonic action provide strong suction for an incredibly deep clean. The 20V Max lithium pivot comes with an onboard crevice tool and brush that are always at hand to tackle any mess, while a distinctive pivoting nose feature enables easy cleaning for all those hard-to-reach areas, such as under cupboards, above tall shelves. Number 2. Bissell Aero Slim Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Messes can happen at any moment. Be prepared with the Bissell Aero Slim Hand Vacuum, which is designed to quickly pick up those unexpected messes. It's cordless, so it can clean almost anywhere, like in your car, home, or office. Plus, with its sleek design, it blends into practically any home. You can customize your clean by using the included 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush, which conveniently stores right on the vacuum's storage stand, so you always know where it is. When the battery indicator lights start to flash, you can charge your hand vacuum with the standard wall charger or the included USB charger. If you buy something through our links, buy now, click the link in description. Number 3. Shark WV201 WAN DVAC Handheld Vacuum. Shark Ion W1 Handheld Vacuum. Lightweight at 1.4 pounds with powerful suction. Ion charging dock. Single-touch empty and detachable dust cup. Streamlined airflow and a high-speed brushless motor combine to give you accelerated suction power for advanced cleaning performance. High-speed, brushless motor delivers unbelievable suction power. Hand vacuum maintenance is simple with a detachable dust cup and easily removable filter housing. Number 4. Bissell 1782 Pet Hair Hand and Car Vacuum. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum is developed for pet parents to help make cleaning up after their pets easier. This lightweight and cordless handheld device allows you to clean up pet hair and dirt that collects on your furniture, carpet, in your car, or wherever your furry friends play. The detachable motorized brush helps capture more embedded dirt and pet hair, providing a deeper clean. The included crevice tool and upholstery tool can be used separately or stacked together to combine their usefulness. In addition, this hand vacuum has a 2-stage filtration system designed to help extend the life of the filter and provide easier cleaning. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum is cordless. Number 5. UFi by Anchor Home Vac H11 Car Vacuum. Home Vac offers tasteful yet practical solutions for all your everyday cleaning needs. Each lightweight and cordless vacuum is built for efficiency and complete mobility, so that you can clean around the house or take it out to the car. The critically acclaimed designs ensure every home vac blends seamlessly into any room so you can properly store it for charging. Use the extension nozzle on the 2-in-1 crevice tool to reach into the deep corners of your car, including under low-lying car seats. Effortlessly maneuver and clean around your home and car with this lightweight and cordless design. The Dust Devouring 5.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.